wore it to high tea the other day with my mum and my sister for Mother's Day, and I just felt stunning. So that's dress number 1. Dress number 2, I'm not that big a fan of. It's from Frock, and it's this, look, it's beautiful. It's got these beautiful sleeves. It's a beautiful green, cinches just below the waist, flowy just below the knees. Again, it is a size 20, and let me see if it has, it's polyester. The only thing I don't like is the tie here ties really weird and makes my bust look weird. I think if you had a smaller bust than me, you could tie it and it would look nicer, but on my bust it isn't flattering. But apart from that, it's fantastic quality. The dress is beautiful. It's so soft and silky. The color is fantastic. It's just if you're bigger busted, that tie right here, where's it gone? I lost it right here. It's just a little, it just ties a little weird. I don't know. I don't know. I wasn't a fan. I didn't wear that one. Next, I got this dress. This dress is from Something for Sarah. I got it at the Iconic. It is in a size 20. And it's this beautiful sparkly red dress with the see-through sleeves. It has this beautiful crossover front. And this one's a little shorter. I would say it hits like the knee area. I am thinking Christmas party for this. Again, 100% polyester. Everything's 100% polyester. It does have one of those little buttons up here, which can be quite hard to do up, but I found because it has quite a loose neckline, I didn't have any trouble doing that up by myself, which I know can be a problem. The other thing I found was the elastic here was pretty loose. I would probably have to find a way to tighten that because otherwise my sleeve, like, it just doesn't look quite right and my sleeve will be going in everything. But apart from that, beautiful dress. I really like this one. Next I got, and this is going to be really hard to show you. This is from City Chic. I did buy it off the Iconic website. It's in a size medium. And it is, look, it does sometimes look a bit like a dressing gown. It has these beautiful like sleeves. It's a bit kimono-y. It's got these beautiful colors. It does have an underslip and it is crossover tie. Again, it has quite a long tie, so you can tie it a couple of different ways. You could tie it in the back, you can tie it in the side. Although in the side, I think it looks more dressing gowny. It is sort of longer, but because of that underslip and the outer slip being see-through, it does sort of hit the knee and then cascade down in the see-through bit. So it's not too long. It has these beautiful flowers on them. It is a beautiful dress. It is a beautiful color. It just wasn't the dress I picked. Are you ready for the dress I picked? So this one is from City Chic as well. It's the label Raffinity. I got it in a medium or a size 18. And it is this beautiful yellow dress. The pattern on this dress is stunning. The tie here at the front, stunning. It cinches the waist. It's got the 3/4 length sleeve that also help with the appearance of a snatch waist. It's longer. It does go to the ground. It has all these buttons through here. So it's like a maxi dress, but it's like a silky maxi dress. So I feel like maxi dress is a more casual thing for a wedding, but the silkiness elevates it. The buttons and detail elevate it. And it has pockets. Let me see if I can give you any information on fabric. 100% polyester. Anyway, this was the dress I picked. It's beautiful. I felt beautiful. I got lots of compliments. It was the perfect dress for this wedding, and I cannot wait to find something to wear it to again. I need more events in my life now that I have so many beautiful dresses. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and tell me which was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one.